Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add font in Capcut PC. If you're editing in Capcut and you need a specific font and you don't have it in Capcut, then you can add it from the browser. So in that case, you just have to simply go to the browser and then you have to search for Google Fonts. There are multiple websites through which you can get the fonts, but this is the one that I use the most and it is by Google, so it's much better. Once you get there, if you know the name, you can search for it or you can also sort it by different categories. Simply find the font that you want it, click onto it and then simply download it. Once you download it, it will just take a while. Once the downloadation is done, then you have to open the file and then simply you have to simply get into the files and open it. Once you click onto it, on the top you will see the option for install. Click onto it and after that the font will install into the system or the PC. Then simply open the CapCut and after that you have to simply start creating a project. Once you have imported your files, simply click on text and click onto this plus icon. Now here you will see the text. So first you have to write it anything, whatever you like. Simply write anything. For reference, I am adding hello world, but you can add anything. Then on the right, you can see we have fonts and we have this option for drop down. Right now we have selected system. Make sure that system option is enabled because it will show you the fonts that are installed in your system. So if you know the name, you can either search for it or you can just simply find it by scrolling within these names. But the names are too much, so it will be really hard for us to find the one that we need. So it is better that we should search for it. Otherwise, it's up to you. So just simply search for that font that we have just installed, and once you have it, click onto it and then you will see the font will be added. The same way, if you want to add more fonts, then you can do it through the same way we did it. So that's how you can add font in CapCut PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.